Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a small but mighty word, any. This A1 level pronoun is one of the first words English learners encounter, and for good reason. It means one or some, no matter which, and it's incredibly versatile in everyday conversation. Let's start with what any means and how it's used. Imagine you're in a store and you're looking for a snack. You might say, "Do you have any chips?" Here, any works to ask about one or some chips without specifying which kind. It's often used in questions, negative sentences, and to express openness or indifference to choice. For example, take any book you like. Shows that it doesn't matter which book is chosen. Now, let's look at some synonyms for any. Depending on the context, you might use words like some, whatever, or whichever. For example, "Do you have some sugar?" is similar to asking if there's any sugar available. Or, "Take whichever option works best for you," conveys the same idea of freedom of choice. These synonyms help add variety and flexibility to your English. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. Words like none, not one, and no are opposites of any. For instance, if someone says, "I don't have any cookies," the opposite would be, "I have none." Understanding these contrasts can make your English more precise and expressive. So, how do we use any in everyday life? This word pops up in countless scenarios. Think of asking questions like, "Do you have any plans for the weekend?" Or making negative statements like, "I don't have any idea what happened." You might also use it to show openness, as in, "You can call me at any time." Here are a few more examples of any in action. Is there any milk left in the fridge? I'll watch any movie you pick. We don't have any reason to worry. Each of these sentences highlights how any can adapt to fit a wide range of situations. To wrap up, today we learned that any is a versatile pronoun that means one or some, no matter which. It's commonly used in questions, negatives, and to show openness. We also explored some synonyms like some and whichever, as well as antonyms like none and no. I hope this episode has helped you feel more confident using any in your own conversations. Before you go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using any and share it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps more listeners discover the show. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.